What if I told you that you could build a fully functional video calling application in less than 30 minutes? Well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. In this video, we're going to build a real-time video call application using ZEGOCLOUD Call Kit in React. By the end of this video, you will have a fully working application where users can start a call, invite others, send in-room messages, and experience high-quality video and audio, all with just a few lines of code. So without wasting time, let's jump right in. ZEGOCLOUD is a platform or a service that provides real-time audio and video solutions. If you're a developer that have ever worked on creating a video call application from scratch or trying to integrate it into your application, you will know how hard it is. It can take weeks to create a video call application or integrate it in your project. But ZEGOCLOUD sets that up for you, even with your layout. So you have different UI kits that you can use. ZEGOCLOUD do that for you. You can come to developers here, then go to UIKits to check that out. Now, as you can see, you can go live in 30 minutes using the UIKit. You just need to do what? Install your UIKit, integrate it securely, and then you can customize it to whatever you want. Now, they already have all this pre-made. You have a dynamic video layout. You can have in-room messages. Imagine creating that from scratch. Now, it's going to waste your time. So they have all this for you, even face specification, call invitation, already set up, and you can integrate it to different things you want: React Native, Flutter, Android, iOS. Perfect. And now you can you have already made UI kits for one-on-one calls. If you need one-on-one calls, they already have that for you. If you need group calls, they have that also. You need video conferencing, you want to create a video conference, you can do that also. Live streaming, they handle that. Live, or they do all that, even in-app chat. ZEGOCLOUD is a powerhouse for real. Like, also, if you're a new user, if you just sign up, they're going to give you 10,000 free minutes. 10,000. So generous. So now we can just start building. Let me show you how you can create a full video calling application in minutes. So easy. You can start building. Now we'll have to sign up now. We'll have to sign up. Now I will enter my first name, Emmanuel. My last name, Ezigbo. My country, Nigeria. Nigeria. My work email. And then I can get code. Okay, I agree to this. Then you get code. They have sent the code. Let me check my Gmail. They sent it. So this is the code. I'll copy this, come here and paste it, and then I'll start my free trial. Now they want me to tell them about me. So my company, I can just put my name, Emmanuel. This one is not required. My job title, individual developer. Industry will be IT, technology and service. Then phone number, come here, Nigeria. And then put in your mobile number. Click on continue. And as you can see, we credited your account with the following benefits: 10,000 free minutes with in-app chat, and then you have a support plan. They are going to send an email to your email, to your Gmail or anyone, and then they will request, you can ask for support to your choice. They will chat you up immediately. Yeah, so now you can go to dashboard. And of course, we are going to create our first project. What we are creating is a voice and video call application. If you want a video conference application, you can do that. If you want a live stream, you can choose this. If you want a customized, if you want in-app chats, live, all that. They have all that covered. So I'm just going to click on this one and then click on next. The name of my project, I can call this let me say ZEGO Call. You can call this anything you want. I can call this ZEGO Call. Then there are two ways to get started: UIKits or SDKs. I'm going to go with the UIKits here. This one, start with UIKits. I want everything pre-made, so yeah, I'm going to start with UIKits. And as you can see, ZEGO Call is creating. You just wait for that to finish creating, and then we can start coding. Now start building your application. We're going to integrate it for web. If you have an iOS application, you can do that. If you are integrating it for a React Native application, you just click here. For Flutter, you click here. But I'm going to use React, so this is for the web. I'm going to click this. And okay, select the features for my application. I'm using a one-on-one call or group call, so microphone on, everything, just leave everything on. We want all those features, and then you can save and start to integrate just like this. Now we can allow, we want to show the demo. This is the demo of the application, so we'll allow all this. They want to use our microphone, so you allow while visiting the site, and they want to use the camera as well, so you allow while visiting the site as well. You allow that, and let's see here. Yeah, we have that, and you can check this. You can join. If you look at it, you can join. Here you have people who are there. It is only me for now. Then I can also chat. Let's say hi. We can chat here, and all that is I can disable my camera. I can enable it back. I can disable my voice. I can enable it back. Yeah, stuff like that. And I can end the call, confirm, leave the room, go back to the home screen. So this is what we want to implement in our React application. So I'm just going to click here, get config and integrate. So I have my app ID and my server secret. So you just, for now, let me show you the documentation on what we are going to do. So you create a new tab. In this new tab, I'm going to go to the documentation. First, I'll go to their homepage, ZEGOCLOUD.com. Then I'm going to go to this developer part here. This is for the developers, and I'm going to click on documentation. After clicking on documentation, I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and then this is what we want to create. This is a call kit, so I'm going to click on call kit. After that, we don't want a Java application. We are creating a React application, so we are going to go with the web version. So web JavaScript, click on this, and then we are going to be using an npm package manager. So you click on this as well. So now the first thing to do is to install the SDK. So you click on this, copy this. Then I have an empty VS Code here. I'm just going to Ctrl-J to get my server, to get my terminal rather. Then I'm going to click on this, drag it up, then paste it here. Sorry, I don't have, sorry. I don't have anything set up, so I'm going to set that up by saying npm create vit at latest. So this is what I'm going to use to start my application. And the project name, I'm just going to put a full stop so that it will be in the ZEGO call folder. Then of course the framework will be React, and then I'm going to click on JavaScript. Now we're going to run npm install, then npm run dev. So npm install, just like this. After installing the packages, the next thing we're going to do, we're going to say npm run dev. Then you're going to control click on this, And here you have your React application. Perfect. So let's check what is the next thing we're going to do. Now this code is for React. If you want a Next.js code, you click on this and copy this. You want an Angular code, you click on this. If you want a Vue code, you click on this. But we are working with React, so I'm going to copy this. Copy. Then in my app.jsx here, I'm going to highlight all of this. I'm going to highlight all of this, then paste it here. After pasting it here, we're not going to need this app.css anymore. You can delete this, move to the recycle bin, and we'll go back to app.jsx. Now let's see. Now we need our app ID and our server secret to get our application running. So we'll go back to our ZEGOCLOUD console. Then this is my application. I'm going to click on this. Here is my app ID, this one, and here is my server secret. My app ID and my server secret. So I'm going to click on this. But now I don't want to put it directly here. I want to save it in an env file. So I'm going to go to my root folder here. I'm going to create a new file. I'm going to call this .env.local. Just like that. I'm going to say app_id will be equals to what you posted. So I'm going to paste it here. What you copied rather. So I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to create another one. Server_underscore secret is equal to, and then I'm going to come here. Then I'll copy this, I'll copy the server secret, then I'll come here and paste it. Okay. So now I'm going to say this app.id now it has to be in a number format. So I'm going to pass int, and then I'm going to come here and say what? process.env.app_id. And for the server secret, I'm just going to write here process, or there's no need to pass int. There's no need to pass int. I'm just going to come here and say process.env.server_secret. Just like this. I'm getting this process is not undefined. I'm just going to disable no undefined for the entire file. And there you have it. Where it's giving us errors again. I'm going to clear this. And yeah, just like this. So let's check our file. Let's see if we've gotten anything. And yeah, we did not install this. We forgot to install this. So let us close our server here. Why? We'll go back to our ZEGOCLOUD config, our ZEGOCLOUD documentation. We'll copy this and we'll come to our terminal here, paste it, then click on enter to install the Zego UIKits, which already have all our layouts pre-built for us. So we'll just wait. Yeah, after installing, we can start our server back again, npm run dev, our development server, and then we can check it out. Let's refresh. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen because Vite does not, let me show you, Vite does not allow process.env just like that. Let me show you in the console. In the console, process is not defined. Yeah, so we'll have to define that in our Vite config. So we'll come here, Vite config.js. Let me close this now. Vite config.js, then I'm going to rewrite this config file. I'm going to clear this, then I'm going to rewrite this, I'm going to say export default, define config, and now I'm going to pass in two arguments, command and mode, just like this. And then I'm going to say const env will be equals to load env, install that, import that from vit here, load env, and then I'm going to pass in the mode, and I'm going to write process.cwd, just like this, then put a comma, put an empty string. For this not defined stuff, I'm going to disable the ESLint for that. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to return. Then I'm going to define my process.env. Since they said it is undefined, I'm going to define it, and then I'm going to come here and say process.env.appid underscore id is equals to env.appid underscore id. This env variable we created .appid, and I'm going to do for the other one, which is our server secret, process.env.server underscore secrets. Put a colon here, and I'm going to make this a string, so I'll say json.stringify, and I'm going to say env.server underscore secret, just like this. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add that plugin back. So I'm going to say under this one, come here, then I'm going to say plugins will be React, just like this. This is not meant to be a comma, yeah. And this one, I'm going to disable the ESLint command as well. Disable unused vars for the entire file. Yeah. So we have this, you save this, and server restarted. You refresh the page and we should have our working. Yeah. Okay, so now we just need to allow while visiting the site, and then you allow the camera also while visiting the site. Yeah, so we have everything running now. I can change my name to Ima, and then I can join. Yeah, everything works as it should, and now I can, with this I'm done with the site. So now I can just, let me disable. Okay, so now I can just deploy the application. To deploy the application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here in source code. I'm going to initialize a repository, initialize, and then I can say project completed, and I can I can click on commit. After committing, I'm going to publish the branch ZEGOCLOUD. I can push this to a public repo, uploading files to GitHub. Yeah, successfully published, and then I can open this on GitHub. And as you can see, this is it. Now after putting this to GitHub, the next thing I'm going to do is to deploy this to Vercel. So for that, I'm just going to come here and enter vercel.com. Then I'll go to my projects. Then I'm going to click on add a new project, add new, and add a new project. After that, I'm going to import the one I just published now, which is this one, ZEGOCLOUD. I'm going to import it, and I can call this ZEGOCLOUD. Then for my environment variables, I'll go back to my code here. this file. Then I'm going to go to my .env.local. I'm going to Ctrl A, copy all of this, Ctrl C, and then I'm going to come here and then I'm going to paste it, the app ID and my app secret. My app ID and my app secret, and then I'm going to deploy this. Deploy. So it is being deployed. I'm waiting. I'm going to wait for some time. Congratulations, you just deployed a new project to my project. So now I can go to my dashboard. There I'm going to find the link. As you can see, this is the link here, ZEGOCLOUD-py.vessel.app. So I can go there now and check it out. Let's see. Yeah. Now they need access to my microphones again. Why are we doing this one again is because this is on another domain. So allow while visiting the site, allow access to the camera while visiting the site also. Yeah, so let me disable mine. Yeah, so now you can take this your personal link, copy this, then you can go to send this to another user, and the user will be able to join. Let me call this one Ima, then I will join. And then the second one, let me say this one is Ima 2. I can join also. Let's see. As you can see, this is Ima and this is Ima 2. I can come here with chatting. I will just say hi. This is Ima 2 saying hi. Then I can come to this one here. Ima 2 said hi, so the main Emmanuel can say hello. And here you have that everything works perfectly. Yeah, so if you enjoy my content, you can click the like button, subscribe, and yeah, comment if you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much for watching. Use ZEGOCLOUD. ZEGOCLOUD is very good, very good, very easy. As you can see, you just built and deployed your application in minutes. Yeah, thank you.